What do I want to do for, you know what I am going to do? I think what I'll do off camera, and I'll show you, I'm just going to cut a couple of, or punch, not cut, a couple circles on here. And in the meantime, here I am again. I'm going to grab a flower that isn't too awful big to go on that. Ooh, either that one or too big. I feel like Goldilocks. Too big, too small, too this, too that. That's going to be too big. Let's see. But I like it. I'm going to just cut the bottom off a little. Do I like that one? Or do I like this one? I kind of like the orange one. Ooh. I think I like that one. That's the golden ticket. Okay, where were they? All right. So there's that. These are hard to get off. Ooh. I almost had it, and my finger mashed it down. Oh my heavens. Here we go. Here we go. So I think, yes, if I put it on like that, that is so sweet. Okay. Then I'm going to cut off this little bit of extra. Oh, I do like that. And then do a little distressing. Not too heavy, Lisa. No need to get crazy. Just enough to not make it look so... Oh, dog's here that Dad's home. So then I'll put my tab on that. And that should about do it for our time for today. That gets us a little bit into our pages with the journal. And I'll do some more embellishing off camera, and then we'll keep going along and maybe do some ephemera pieces together. Thanks again for joining me. If you like to follow along with this process and see what other exciting crafts we'll be doing, click subscribe and the bell so that you're sure to get notices of upcoming videos. Hope you have a really good day.